Now she does have these antennas that she may have time to put on here actually. Do we want to see her do that? Maybe, you know, one of them at least.
You guys are just...
what do you think of this unboxing, guys?
See me screw things in.
We do. I think that that's really what it's all about. Let us know, guys. Do you want to see Anika just screw it in?
All right, guys. So we are going to continue on, but if you can comment down below and let us know what is different about this part of the video, then you might be the new lucky winner.
Ooh, exciting. Wonder what it could be. Hi everyone, I'm Cindy and I'm here with
Anika.
Amazing. And welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you for watching, and we are super excited because we have this awesome lineup of gifts here that we are going to open up right in front of you. Now, for those of you who haven't already checked out our Patreon links, you want to do that right down below. It's a win-win situation and it will help us help you. So that's all I'm going to say about that. So let's dig in, shall we?
Yeah, and just so you guys know, we're going to be giving this away to one lucky winner. But before we go ahead and get into this unboxing, make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel and you guys have clicked that bell icon to remain notified. Okay, because we do release videos on a weekly and we also do a lot of giveaways, guys. Woo. So let's go ahead and start off with our first box here. I'm gonna get on the chair.
That's right. She's got to get some leverage.
Knife
oh my gosh, she's cut above the rest, guys.
No.
That's a cut. Oh my goodness, look at her go. Would you trust this woman with a knife in your home?
Oh hell yeah.
That's right, I'll tell you what.
Everybody, thumbs up if you trust me with an X-Acto knife.
All right.
So what do we have first?
Woo! What is that? Now this, you might be wondering, is a 2-pack outdoor solar light with motion sensor by Azone. That's right, Azone. And this is great for your patio, your porch, your garage, or even the garden. Let's see what it looks like, shall we?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, the packaging's exciting. She's got the instructions. We don't need the user manual. You can throw that away. You got us.
All right, so.
Now this one, once you actually get it out, now this is where she gets her biceps from. It has a built-in PIR motion detection sensor, and the solar light can actually detect up to 25 feet away with a range of 120 degrees. Now it will turn on high bright lighting mode for 30 seconds when motion is detected, and then it will turn back to dim mode. Now on sunny days like today, it only takes about 5 to 6 hours to be fully charged. It will turn off during daytime and it will turn back on under dim light mode at night automatically. Now some of the specs are that it has an 18650 lithium battery, LED power is 5 watts, with 800 lumens, and it's waterproof at IP66. And it comes with these fabulous tools you see here. And check out, we got another something in the box. Hold on, wait for it. Bicep Babe is coming at you. Here she is.
With 2.
That's right, but wait, there's more. There you go. That's it. That's it. I just wanted to say that, guys. Sorry to get your hopes up. Sounded pretty exciting. Went so nice they did it twice, though, so good things come in twos.
This tool is kind of cute.
That's right. I pitied the tool. No,
looks like a little gun.
It's pretty awesome. Yeah, exactly.
Gun.
Arms are for hugging.
Okay.
All right, perfect.
Move on to the second item.
What's inside the box?
Dun, 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 dun.
This one she doesn't need the leverage for. She's already at a good height for this one. It's pretty exciting.
You're making fun of my shortness here.
No, not at all. Good things come in small packages. Evidently, let's see how true that statement is. All right, guys, you be the judge. All right, so this is the Blue Rams outdoor security camera. Ooh. That's right. It is a 1080p Wi-Fi camera with a two-way talk, which uses facial recognition to differentiate between human, pet, and other moving objects. So facial recognition lets you know if your kid is back or to alert you if there is a stranger danger situation.
Stranger danger.
That's right. We don't want that. Or if you have like, you know. Oh, that's pretty awesome, right?
So you put it on the wall here.
That's right. Absolutely. And the camera is IP65 weather resistant. So you don't have to worry about when it's outdoors like that. And you can use cloud or local storage for it with up to 128 gig SD card. It also connects to Alexa devices to launch on-demand video for instant viewing. Awesome. How about that? Pretty awesome. The Blue Rams. All right, so
number 12.
And just remember, guys, supporting us on Patreon helps us ship all of these to the winner. And there's only going to be one lucky winner. Click on the link below for details. Number 3, we're getting excited here because Anika once again has mastered the art of the X-Acto knife. Woo! Go team. All right, she's razor sharp, just like that. All right.
Okay.
So these are, what are they? What the heck is this? It's a newie.
A newie.
Not an oldie. That's right, a newie smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. A very bright idea here, guys, which are dimmable, and they come in a 4-pack. So you can choose up to 16 million colors and white shades to instantly change the look and feel of the room. And now if you want to control the smart bulbs with your phone, you can do that. There is a Newie Home app. There are multiple lighting modes for you or for your decor, depending on what you want. And you can use your voice with Alexa or Google to turn them on or off or to dim or brighten your lights.
Oh, it says Newie right there. Cute.
That's right, super awesome. And the bulbs are 800 lumens, 10 watts, and you can put them on schedules and timers.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, so that's a pretty neat, fun fact about them. Definitely smarter bulbs. I like that. Yeah, it's definitely a great thing. Great, great thing. There we go. Number 4.
Number
Woo!
4.
What's behind box number 4? Well, inside rather, not behind. She's behind it, or in front of it, depending where you're sitting. Wow, look at that. Sound effects and all. I don't know what takes over. Sometimes it seems like there's a grown man inside.
Are you trying to tell me that
Well, you make
grown
man noises sometimes. Like, oh.
I know I should be cutting towards
Like maybe
myself,
you should.
but...
Well, no, probably not. Do we love Anika as she is? Do we want to see any of that? No, we don't. Okay, number 4.
Wow.
What the heck is that? You're wondering? Well, it is a USB quick charge AC outlet by SZICT, which is pronounced skict. Well, if you can figure it out, let us know. We would love to hear from you. With power delivery for USB-C and USB-A devices, and it comes in a 2-pack. That's right, not like the wrapper, but this is actual 2-pack. That makes charging more convenient and faster than ever. And no need to look all over your house for your charging brick. All your outlets are now equipped. So it's totally a very smart idea, because sometimes we do lose the brick, and this is a great way to remedy it quick. That's right.
I like that.
Exactly. So the ratings for the USB ports are 5 volts 3A, 9 volt 2A, 12 volt 1.5A, and when the 2 USB ports are used at the same time, the output is 5V 3A. One lucky winner, guys. Are we excited? Go to Patreon, and you definitely want to support us there. So this is the 5th one. And she really reached for it. She's excited. Can you tell? Are we excited too?
I'm tired.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's exhausting. She's phenomenal when you're this good,
I think I want to keep this one.
Okay, this looks pretty exciting, guys. What the heck is it, you wonder? It is Solium. Solium is the S90 outdoor security camera, guys. And here's a quick clip of that video that we actually did a little bit ago. Now, we were sent all 3 of these cameras by Solium to install and test out. And they are the Solium S90 Pro, and you can see that they are solar powered. So the theory is you don't need to keep taking them down to charge them up.
All right, guys, so we are going to continue on, but if you can comment down below and let us know what is different about this part of the video, then you might be the new lucky winner.
Ooh, exciting. Wonder what it could be. Now, this right here that we are unraveling right now is the solar battery 1080p camera with night vision and 2-way audio. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, by the way. Let us know what you thought about it. Now, the camera is self-sustained by 3 solar panels with built-in 10,000 milliamp hour battery. The outdoor temperature can be between -4 Fahrenheit and 140 Fahrenheit, so it's a great way to monitor your home. Because you don't need to take them down to charge them up, you can stick them in high places, like your yard entrance, garden, or backyard, and when motion is detected, it's pretty exciting. It does slide in.
It does slide in, but right now, we're not going to show you guys. I just want to show you guys there's a screwdriver that it comes with. You can definitely screw your panels in to be tighter if you want it this way, that way, whatever way you want. And then you also have the antennas.
Absolutely, you do. And when motion is detected, the camera can send an alert to your smartphone and record video clips with an internal SD card. Now, she does have these antennas that she may have time to put on here, actually. Do we want to see her do that? Maybe, you know, one of them at least.
You guys are just...
what do you think of this unboxing, guys?
See me screw things in.
We do. I think that that's really what it's all about. Let us know, guys. Do you want to see Anika just screw it in?
With my lisp right now.
Oh my goodness. The power of the... Brace yourself. Come on, guys. Brace yourself.
There we got it.
So how is she doing? What do you think of the technique? Amazing. There you are. There you have it, folks. You can reach new heights, new levels, new awesomeness with this awesome addition to your home, Solium. You could be the winner of this device or any of the other ones that we unboxed for you today. What do you think of our unboxing?
Tell us. What do you think of our unboxing? Remember, guys, supporting us on Patreon allows you to see all of these videos weeks before anyone else does, while it also helps us to pay for shipping on all of this sent to you guys. Now, if you guys found this video useful, please do share it with your friends and your family if you also want them to win as well. Also, these are videos here on the side that you can also check out. The video on the top is the most recent one. The one below us is the one that we recommend just for you. Please don't forget to click on either one of them, and we really appreciate your support. Happy winning! Bye, guys.
Bye.